Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics. Use the original Samsung charger and an intact cable because aftermarket gear often limits current. Once done, remove the phone case and plug into a known good wall outlet. Try a spare cable to isolate the cord. Make sure to power cycle the phone and, if needed, boot into safe mode to rule out apps. These first steps quickly identify external failures so you can move on to more involved fixes without wasting time. Now focus on deeper causes. Carefully clean the USB-C port with compressed air or a wooden toothpick to remove lint that blocks contact. Poor connection reduces current. Then update Android and Samsung firmware because software patches can restore charging efficiency. Once updated, disable or uninstall battery-draining apps and check settings battery for the fast charging option. Toggle it to reset behavior. Also watch charging temperature. Thermal throttling will slow charging, so address heat sources as you continue. Finish by trying calibration. Let the battery drain close to 0, then charge uninterrupted to 100% to recalibrate reporting. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to exclude persistent software faults. Make sure you have backups first. For physical issues, worn battery cells or damaged charging IC, replace the battery or get Samsung service. If your device still charges slowly, ask the service center to test charging currents. That test pinpoints whether you need a component replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.